Hi everybody, and welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get Crunchyroll completely for free without paying for premium. First, you're going to need your phone for this. I'll guide you step by step to make it super easy for you to follow along. Now, let's open up your favorite search engine. You can use Safari, Google, or whatever browser you prefer. In the search bar, type in this website URL. That's spelled easycupon.com. Once you've typed it in, press go. This will take you to the Easy Coupon website. This site offers verified methods to get free services. On the site's homepage, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and type in Crunchyroll and press done. Next, you'll see an option pop up for a 1-month coupon code for Crunchyroll. Click on it and scroll down to find the coupon section. This is where you'll get the code that you can redeem directly on the Crunchyroll website. Now, here's the catch. The coupons on the site are limited, so you want to make sure there are still codes available. If there aren't any left, you'll need to check back later. But most of the time, I've found there's usually a code available. If there are codes left, press the Show Coupon Code button. You'll notice that part of your coupon is locked. To unlock it, you need to complete a small task. These tasks ensure that everyone gets a unique and verified coupon. When you press Unlock Code, the system will begin generating your coupon. This usually takes a minute or two. While that's happening, you'll see a list of tasks or steps to complete. Most of these are straightforward and don't take long. For example, you might need to run an app for 30 seconds or reach a specific level in a game. The tasks vary and they're different for everyone. Choose any 2 or 3 tasks from the list. I recommend completing 3 tasks, even though the site says you only need to do 2. This guarantees you'll get your coupon without issues. Let's go through an example. For one task, all I have to do is download an app and run it for 30 seconds. That's super easy. For another task, I might need to play a game and reach level 3, which takes just a few minutes. Once I complete those tasks, my coupon will be ready. You can complete the tasks in any order you like. Take your time and make sure to follow the instructions carefully for each one. Once you've completed them, come back to the Easy Coupon website. After finishing the tasks, I'll walk you through the final steps. Open your browser again and type in the Easy Coupon URL one more time. Go back to the site, search for Crunchyroll in the search bar, and find the same coupon page. This time, when you press Show Coupon Code, your unique code will be fully unlocked and ready to use. You can copy this code and redeem it directly on the Crunchyroll website to activate your free premium account. If you want to watch content and access websites that are blocked in your location, check out NordVPN using the link in the description below. It's a solid VPN that offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can basically use it for 30 for free if you've never signed up before. Click the link in the description to get started.